In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a 1-month delay natively in make.com. If you've ever wanted your automation to wait a full month before running again, without adding extra modules or custom logic, make.com's built-in scheduler makes it simple. We'll walk through setting up a scenario so it runs automatically once per month, which is a clean, reliable way to achieve a true 1-month delay between runs. First, open make.com and create your scenario. Think of a scenario as your automation workspace. It's where your modules live and how your data moves from one step to the next. Even if you're still building the modules, it's perfectly fine to start with an empty scenario as long as you know what you want to schedule. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. Next, look to the bottom of the scenario editor for the scheduling control. This is where you decide when and how often. Make should execute your workflow. Click it to open the schedule settings. This panel controls the timing of your runs and is the key to creating a native monthly delay. Under Run Scenario, choose Monthly. This tells Make to trigger your scenario on a monthly cadence, ensuring there's roughly a 1-month gap between each execution. It's more precise and maintainable than trying to chain a delay module because it relies on the platform's scheduler rather than a running operation. Now, choose the day of the month you want the scenario to run. For example, pick day 1 if you want it to fire on the first of each month. Consider your data and reporting cycles here. Some teams prefer the first day, others the last. If you want to avoid issues in shorter months, selecting a date that exists every month, like the 1st or 28th, is a safe choice. Also, keep in mind your time zone, since the schedule will follow the scenario's configured time zone. Once you've set the day, click Save. This step locks in your schedule, and you should see a summary that reflects your monthly selection and chosen date. Saving ensures your preferences persist even if you navigate away from the editor. Finally, turn the scenario on. Enabling it activates the scheduler you just configured. You'll typically see a Next Run timestamp, which confirms when the first monthly execution will occur. From this point forward, the scenario will run automatically once per month, hands-free. And that's it. You've set up a clean, native 1-month delay in make.com using the built-in scheduler. Simple, predictable, and easy to maintain. Thanks for watching.